Today we're making an incredibly delicious coconut mango cheesecake. It has 32 grams of protein and only 350 calories. First, add the gelatin to warm water and set it aside to bloom. The exact macros are in the description below the video. We're starting with low-fat cottage cheese, Greek yogurt. Thank you so much to everyone who leaves warm comments and likes. I really appreciate it. 3 teaspoons of erythritol. Now we need half of the mango. We'll set the other half aside for now. Blend everything really well with a blender until the mixture becomes smooth. Add our bloomed gelatin and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Blend everything once again. Now cut the second half of the mango into small pieces and save a few for decoration. Two tablespoons of coconut flakes. It already looks so appetizing. I recommend putting it in the fridge for 1 hour after you make it. It tastes even better that way. On top, add a few pieces of mango and a little more coconut flakes. Easy, quick, and so delicious. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.